For a step over, then you're going to be stepping over the box. So the way that we'll do that is to use the outside leg. So you're standing next to the box, using the outside leg to come across, heel comes down, putting the pressure into the butt. You can see there's a little stretch on the butt there. Engaging, pushing up to the tall position, and then coming down using the opposite sort of technique. So you can go down, I'm going to go down onto the other side. So supporting leg stays put, engaging, dropping down, and under control I reach down for the ground. Then pressing back in, hip flexors are engaged, butt's engaged, thinking tall, squeezing down into the box. Other leg comes onto the box, that takes the support, and slowly come down until you're under control there. For this exercise, you can change the height of the box. So if this is too tall or not tall enough, then you can change the height of the box. You can also put a barbell on your back and go through the same motion. The movement is exactly the same. It's heel goes down, load up the front leg, squeeze up, switch legs at the top, control on the way back down, and then going back the other side.